Today we're going to mix colors to see what two colors make. Yellow, blue, red. See what happens. Let's turn it a little green. Let's turn it green. You see? Turning green. Yeah, look, that's correct. Green? Yeah. What are you doing? Want more yellow? Yellow. More blue. Look, there's green. There's green. It's green. It's green. Green. What's turning into now? What's this turning green? Blue plus yellow is green. Green. Blue and red. Purple. How could I get it purple? Purple is coming. Ella, you're doing a good job. I like it. Purple. Now we're mixing red and yellow. It's so fun. What's it making now? I don't know yet. You guys know? You should guess. Orange. Red and yellow make orange. What does it make into now? It's making orange, you're right. It's making orange. See that, all that orange? You're doing a good job, guys. I'm looking so happy. Orange. Those are secondary colors. Green, orange, purple. Look, I made yellow. Those are secondary colors. Thanks for coloring with us. Like and subscribe.